Hi, welcome to Middle Eastern Kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make fried farfar. Farfar is a very popular snack in India and Pakistan. Farfar recipe has only two main ingredients. We need raw farfar and corn oil to make fried farfar. First of all, we must put down a frying pan on the fire and spill our corn oil into it. And we must let our corn oil get very hot until we can see bubbles in it. Now it's time to add our raw farfar into a pan. You must let farfar get really fried until their color changes to something between gold and brown. If you like this video, don't forget to press like and subscribe button. It's very helpful for me to grow up my channel. Farfars will be very tasty if you add some ketchup sauce on top of them.